Corvettes, Camaros, and Impalas starting at just $600. Here are 20 classic American project cars you won't want to miss. Number 1. 1974 Ford Maverick, $3,500, Anniston, Alabama. This 1974 Ford Maverick is located in Anniston, Alabama, and is powered by a straight-six engine paired with an automatic transmission. The seller describes it as a running and driving project car, with approximately 100,000 miles showing on the odometer. According to the listing, the Maverick runs, drives, and stops, making it a potential entry-level classic for someone looking for an affordable project. Priced at $3,500, the seller is also open to offers or possible trades. Number 2. 1977 Cadillac Coupe de Ville, $5,000, Whitbridge, Virginia. Located in Whitbridge, Virginia, this 1977 Cadillac Coupe de Ville features a white exterior, white walls, wire wheels, and a burgundy interior. Showing 74,500 miles, the car recently received a rebuilt carburetor and a new thermostat, and the seller says it runs well without leaks. The seller notes that the air conditioning and radio are currently not functioning, but overall, the car remains a solid driver with the classic smooth Cadillac ride these luxury coupes are known for. Offered at $5,000, it presents itself as an affordable vintage cruiser with room for further improvement. Number 3. 1977 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham d'Elegance, $3,500, Kennesaw, Georgia. This 1977 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham d'Elegance is offered in Kennesaw, Georgia for $3,500. Finished in gold with a tan interior, the car reportedly has just 86,000 original miles and retains much of its original appearance, including its hubcaps stored in the trunk. Power comes from a 425 cubic inch V8 that has been converted from fuel injection to a carburetor setup. The seller says the car has been sitting for some time and will run, drive, and brake when supplied with fuel externally, but recommends bringing a trailer. A new poly-electric fuel pump is included with the sale. Number 4. 1960 Ford Galaxy, $5,000, Minster, Ohio. Offered from Minster, Ohio, this 1960 Ford Galaxy is equipped with a 292 V8 and a 2-speed automatic transmission. The seller has completed numerous repairs and upgrades over the years, including electrical components, cooling system parts, trunk pan replacement, and several interior items. Although the engine runs, the transmission currently needs attention, and the car will require towing. With a clean title and many spare parts included, this $5,000 Galaxy appears best suited for someone looking to continue a partially completed restoration project.
Number 5. 1978 Plymouth Volare, $5,000, Springfield, Missouri. This 1978 Plymouth Volare is located in Springfield, Missouri, and is finished in beige with a red interior. The seller states that the car runs and drives and comes with a clean title. Recent maintenance reportedly includes a new battery, alternator, and starter. While few additional details are provided, the Volare is being offered for $5,000 as a ready-to-drive vintage Mopar sedan. Number 6. 1977 Chevrolet Camaro LT, $4,500, Breeze, Illinois. Located in Breeze, Illinois, this 1977 Chevrolet Camaro LT project is powered by a 305 V8 and automatic transmission. The seller recently installed a new intake manifold, carburetor, MSD distributor, fuel tank, fuel pump, sending unit, wheels, and tires. The Camaro runs and moves under its own power, but it has been sitting for more than a decade and still needs work. The transmission reportedly leaks heavily, the brakes are soft, and the seller recommends transporting the vehicle on a trailer. Asking price is $4,500.
Number 7. 1970 Chevrolet Impala, $3,000, Hickory, North Carolina. This 1970 Chevrolet Impala is offered in Hickory, North Carolina for $3,000. The seller reports that it has a good engine and transmission, along with recently replaced brake components, including hoses, wheel cylinders, and other brake parts. Additional upgrades include an Edelbrock Torker intake and a Holley 750 CFM carburetor. However, the car has not yet been started with the new setup, and the vehicle currently does not have a title, making it more of a project opportunity than a road-ready classic. Number 8. 1977 Chevrolet Corvette, $4,500, Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. Located in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania, this 1977 Corvette is a long-term project powered by an aftermarket Jasper engine with roughly 10,000 miles since installation. The seller has completed substantial work, including brake system repairs, cooling system updates, ignition service, and exhaust replacement. The car still requires completion of the brake work and body mount repairs before returning to regular use. With no rust reported in the floors and numerous replacement parts already installed, this Corvette is being offered at a firm $4,500 and will need to be trailered.
Number 9. 1969 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray, $3,000, Sparrows Point, Maryland. This 1969 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray is being sold from an estate in Sparrows Point, Maryland. Equipped with a small block V8 and automatic transmission, the car has reportedly been sitting for 15 to 20 years. The seller describes the vehicle as being in very rough condition, with a heavily worn interior and likely best suited as a parts car. A clean title accompanies the sale, and the Corvette is priced at $3,000 with towing required. Number 10. 1972 Chevrolet Impala, $2,200, Aurora, Illinois. Offered in Aurora, Illinois, this 1972 Chevrolet Impala is finished in blue inside and out and shows approximately 86,000 miles. The seller notes that the underside remains fairly solid, though rust is present in several areas, including the roof lid. Powered by a 350 V8 paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission, the car has not yet been started by the current owner. With a title already transferred into the seller's name, this Impala is available as a restoration candidate for $2,200.
Number 11. 1969 Volkswagen Baja Bug, $5,000, Selmer, Tennessee. Located in Selmer, Tennessee, this 1969 Volkswagen Baja Bug has been modified for off-road use and is powered by a 1641cc engine. The seller reports only around 1,200 miles on the current setup and states that the car can be driven anywhere. It features a quick-release steering wheel, nearly new tires, and functioning lights, wipers, and radio. Mechanically, the seller says the Baja shifts properly and is ready to enjoy immediately. A rear seat is also included for buyers who want to reinstall it. Unlike many Project Beetles on the market, this one appears to be a complete and operational vehicle. At an asking price of $5,000, it offers a combination of classic Volkswagen simplicity and Baja Bug personality. For someone wanting a vintage VW that can be used right away instead of restored, this could be one of the more usable vehicles in the group. Number 12. 1954 Ford Custom Line, $4,000, Edinburgh, Virginia. This 1954 Ford Custom Line is located in Edinburgh, Virginia, and comes equipped with a 239 cubic inch Y-block V8, backed by a manual transmission. Showing 119,075 miles, the car retains much of its original character, including original upholstery and well-preserved glass. Recent work includes a new clutch, pressure plate, brake shoes, wheel cylinders, and brake hoses. The seller notes that the drums remain in excellent condition, and the car currently runs, drives, and stops. The front suspension has also been lowered approximately 3 inches for a slightly customized appearance. Priced at $4,000, the Custom Line is described as roughly 85% road ready. With the title in hand and substantial mechanical work already completed, it appears to be a solid entry-level 1950s Ford project that can already be enjoyed while improvements continue.
Number 13. 1965 Volkswagen Beetle, $3,000, Athens, Alabama. Offered in Athens, Alabama, this 1965 Volkswagen Beetle is a straightforward restoration candidate. Finished in red with a tan interior, the seller describes the body as straight with only minimal rust. The Beetle has been sitting for some time and has not been started recently. According to the seller, it will need a battery and a new set of tires before any serious attempt is made to return it to the road. At $3,000, this classic VW is being marketed primarily on its solid body condition. Given the strong aftermarket support for vintage Beetles, it could appeal to someone looking for a simple project without extensive rust repair. Number 14. 1974 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe, $2,200, Owensboro, Kentucky. This 1974 Chevrolet Corvette project is located in Owensboro, Kentucky, and is being sold without an engine or transmission. The seller notes that the car still retains a clear title and includes a new radiator. With approximately 54,163 miles showing on the odometer, the Corvette presents an opportunity for someone considering a drivetrain swap. The seller specifically mentions that the car would make a suitable candidate for an LS engine conversion. At only $2,200, this is one of the least expensive Corvettes in the lineup. However, buyers should expect a significant project due to the missing drivetrain and additional work likely required before the car can return to the road. Number 15. 1972 Chrysler New Yorker Salon, $4,000, Akron, Ohio. Located in Akron, Ohio, this 1972 Chrysler New Yorker Salon is powered by Chrysler's large 440 cubic inch V8 engine. The seller reports only 46,171 miles and notes that the vehicle has had just 2 owners. The car currently does not start, although friends of the seller believe the issue may simply be a dirty carburetor. The vehicle reportedly ran as recently as 2 months ago before being parked. A clean title accompanies the sale. Priced at $4,000, this New Yorker offers big block luxury at an affordable price. If the problem proves minor, it could become a relatively inexpensive full-size cruiser with substantial potential. Number 16. 1963 Ford Galaxy Coupe, $600, Rock Island, Illinois. This 1963 Ford Galaxy 2-door coupe is located in Rock Island, Illinois, and is being sold strictly as a parts car. Originally equipped with a 6-cylinder engine and automatic transmission, the car no longer includes a fuel tank and does not come with a title. The seller highlights the condition of several body components, including a solid front clip, good doors, trunk lid, and tail light assembly. The interior remains mostly stock aside from an aftermarket stereo installation. Although the description lists a higher firm price, the advertised figure shown is $600, making it one of the cheapest vehicles in the collection. For someone restoring another Galaxy, this could serve as a valuable donor car. Number 17. 1974 Plymouth Duster, $3,000, Leipzig, Ohio. This 1974 Plymouth Duster is powered by Chrysler's dependable 225 slant-6 engine paired with an automatic transmission. Located in Leipzig, Ohio, the seller admits the car is rough around the edges, but emphasizes that it still runs and drives. The vehicle requires floor pan replacement and some carburetor attention, but several positives remain. The bumpers are reportedly straight, the rear seat is in near perfect condition, all lights function correctly, and the glass is described as being in good shape. The car also features QA1 suspension components at all 4 corners. With an asking price of $3,000, this Duster represents a typical driver-quality Mopar project. It is not a finished restoration,
but it remains operational and could be improved gradually over time.
Number 18, 1975 Ford Maverick, $1,000, Willard, Missouri. Located in Willard, Missouri, this one-owner 1975 Ford Maverick is powered by a 6-cylinder engine and automatic transmission. The seller states that the car is currently not running, but does crank over when a battery is connected. The vehicle reportedly remains fairly solid and comes with a clean title. Beyond that, few details are provided regarding its mechanical condition or the reason it is not currently operating. At just $1,000, it is among the least expensive complete classic cars in this batch. For buyers seeking an affordable restoration project, the low price and one-owner history may make it worth a closer look. Number 19, 1979 GMC Sierra Classic Short Bed, $4,000, Madison, North Carolina. This 1979 GMC Sierra Classic Short Bed pickup is offered in Madison, North Carolina. Powered by a 350 V8 and turbo 350 automatic transmission, the seller says the truck runs and drives very well. The truck is equipped with manual windows and locks and was originally built without factory air conditioning. While rust and cosmetic dents are present, the seller notes that it remains a solid driver and could make an interesting rat rod or shop truck project. Priced at $4,000, the Sierra combines V8 power, short bed styling, and usable condition. Trucks of this era continue to attract attention from enthusiasts looking for affordable classic pickups. Number 20, 1959 Jeep CJ5, $3,500, Anniston, Alabama. This 1959 Jeep CJ5 is located in Anniston, Alabama, and is described as a running, driving, and stopping four-wheel drive vehicle. The seller lists a manual transmission, despite conflicting information in the advertisement header. As one of the earliest vehicles in this collection, the CJ5 represents a classic utility vehicle with simple mechanicals and strong enthusiast support. The seller provides limited details, but indicates that the Jeep remains operational and ready to use. With an asking price of $3,500 and trade possibilities mentioned, this CJ5 could appeal to off-road enthusiasts or collectors looking for a vintage Jeep project that is already capable of moving under its own power. Which one would you take home? The Corvette projects, the classic Cadillacs, the GMC Short Bed, or that vintage Jeep CJ5? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more affordable classic cars, barn finds, and hidden project car deals.